Here's a 12-inch Manning Bowman Box Fan made by Bersted. And I got this today off someone who was selling on a Craigslist for $40. And that price included the other fan I got, which was a Zero box fan. This one works okay. It's got a kind of ticking noise to it. I don't know what's up with that. Kind of like something's blowing around in it, but there isn't anything in there. 3 speeds. Here's the back side. And on the top of it is a sticker here that says this product is protected by Grammix. And then on the bottom it says the United States Graphite Company. So I don't know what's up with that. Probably something to do with the motor. But yeah. And I'll show it running. First on high, then medium and low. I mean, other than that ticking noise, it's silent on low. But the trade-off is that there's no air movement at all. I mean, like I can feel it right here, but I'm like 3 inches away from the fan. If I go over here, there's nothing. And it's probably just that it needs to be oiled. I'm going to turn it off now, and you'll see the blades stop quickly. So, probably is oiling. But all in all, not a bad fan.